Okay, we're going to be leaving the flat world and going into three dimensions. Whoa, 3D. Um, what we want to find out is one thing is called the surface area. Like how much paper covers this three-dimensional shape. So what I can do is take this and unwrap it, just like a Christmas present, right? And make it a flat shape. And then I can use this flat shape to find out the surface area. So how much area, how many squares make up all the different faces of this shape. So I can go about counting. If this was 5 centimeters by 5 centimeters, you already know how to find the area of a rectangle. It's base times height. So 5 times 5, I get 25 squares there. And this happens to be 5 high and 5 wide on this triangle. So this triangle is 5 times 5 divided by 2, right, for the area of a triangle. So 25 halves, and this one's identical, 25 halves. And this one here, now I have to figure out what is that length. Okay, so now I have to use my Pythagorean theorem that I learned before. So if this is A and B, and this is the hypotenuse C, A squared plus B squared equals C squared. And I have 5 squared plus 5 squared equals C squared. And 25 plus 25 is 50 equals C squared. So the length of this would be the square root of 50. So something close to 7, right? 7 times 7 is 49. One more is 50. So it's something close to 7. So and you can see 2, 4, 6, 7, and a little bit more, right? So it's 7 and a little more, so 7.1. Okay, and then this is still 5. So the area of this triangle would be 5 times 7.1 divided by 2, right? The area of a triangle is 1/2 the base times the height. Now, I can use my calculator to find that length. Bring it over here. Okay, 0.5 times 5 times 7.1. I get 17.75. So I can add up the areas of all these shapes, right? So I have 17.75 here, and by the same logic, I would find the length here. This is also C because this is 5 by 5, and so this would be C, which is 7.1. We figured out. This is 5. So this triangle here would be 5 by 7.1, the same as this triangle here. So these two triangles are identical. And I can find the area of this triangle, 17.75. This one I said was 25 halves, which is 12 and a half. 12 and a half and 25. So the whole surface area of this shape, you can figure out yourself and do that in the next exercise.